Hello world, today is Monday, July 14th, 2025. It's 2:30 p.m. I am in Phuket, Thailand. This is another 10-minute raw, unedited video vlog that is a talk about what is top of mind. And usually I go 10 minutes and get down my most important thoughts of the last day, last 24 hours. So I spent today journaling at a cafe, then I had an issue with, went to a clinic, I got a private health issue thing resolved, then I came back, I had lunch, pad thai, and I bought a collar shirt from a street vendor. I've been journaling a lot the last couple of days, and thinking deeply. And I think the most important things I've really went into the last couple of days, last week, is this feeling of listening and valuing what you feel as significant, important signals. And this is particularly very important to me to learn, to uncover this process that I know I need to strengthen within myself in order to progress as a full human, because there's a part of you that's just logical, analytical, and it's about, I put in time into this and I get this kind of output and this is worth this much, and it's just black and white, all about what can I do with my time in order to maximize my output for the investment. And then considering how you really feel, it's just, for that kind of perspective mind, it's just a burden. It's just something that gets in the way. Versus another perspective is valuing yourself, feeling self-compassion, and observing and getting to know yourself. And through this process, you can unlock levels of a deep truth about yourself, about your desire, your true desire, your true purpose, your unique contribution to the world. So this is something that really clicked for me in the last few days, about recognizing that this is an action that I can learn to strengthen within myself. This habit of thinking, of listening, and considering in my decision-making process what my intuition, what my feelings tell me. And so things like, it may seem foolish to really go to another country and without like a lot of connections or plans there. And it's a risk, but also there's an upside. To every decision, there is an upside and a downside. So the upside is that you're exploring, you can discover new truths about yourself and about the world. So I strongly believe in travel. So what is my topic for today? It's I've been journaling, and it's powerful. I love journaling. It is a process of self-love. So for me, it's probably the most important thing I can do daily to help myself get to know myself better. And that's why I strongly feel that luminalog, like this, your daily AI journaling assistant and team of AI helpers, is such a massive important product that I can develop and market. And the most important thing I do every day is to market it, sell it. So I need to equally sell it as well as build it. So building it requires the video journal feature, which is where you talk to your camera, and you record your thoughts and the text and there's emotional analysis, and you get a mental checkup. And then of course you have a chat running with your assistants, and you have daily consistent relationships with your AIs. So this is like the thing that I need to market and hone in on, is like a daily repetition of like what is important about the fact that we can simulate AI humans right now with your own team of specialists, your own central intelligence agency. It does various services for you, like handles every single part of your daily journal. It breaks it down into all the thoughts that you could think, all the things that you are assuming, and it checks all the thoughts and verifies them, and then it gives you recommendations and analysis of all your thinking, how it fits into the big picture of your goals and your situation, and how it fits in with all the other data that you have gathered about yourself on that day. And that includes things like your mic, because the app also is able to stream live, record all the audio around you. So it really becomes a second brain. And then there's powerful tools like access to all the AI models there. So that's what I really strongly believe in. I believe in like this all-in-one AI app that's available to you, and it's called luminalog. Maybe shortening it to Lumi just because it's a mouthful, luminalog, and just like keep the URL, or maybe just get a new URL. So it's critical to be creating the social media post content and blog posts about this. So that's really where agentic.com comes in as a API backend that can generate like blogs and articles, and that's very important. That you really, and the most important thing is selling, knowing that you can sell this, that it is valuable, and like approaching it and believing it, having the conviction that what you're making is valuable, and that it's important. So that's how I really see luminalog going into this, and how I see beagentic.com. So the next step is like Ava Creator, and going from prompt to real, and making this and marketing this. And another really important thought I had recently is about like this creating software micro apps that handle payments, handle money. Things like very simple things like tic-tac-toe, betting, staking. Like build these little tools and make them available. And write about them. And then the key things that you write all your lessons about, observations about what is digital money, what is the meaning of money in crypto digital space, how can you exchange services for money, how can you design goods, financial products. So I figured out that like my personal brand is like 30% AI, crypto, VR news and apps. 30% it's like self-improvement, spirituality, humanistic kind of things, writings, travel stories, and then 30% is online entrepreneurship, distribution, marketing, social media, business development. And I really believe productizing yourself is very critical. So that means do things in public that you feel gives you energy, and then compound on those things and do them daily. So things like the vlog is super important. Things like a blog, like I write privately for my paper journal, but like writing a blog is a next level thing. So that's why it's important to really do this, and it's important to be really active online, right? So because that you really show that you are consistent, you show what you believe in truly. You cannot fake it, because you show that every day in, day out, you're producing this content about how you care about luminalog, how you believe in it, and then the people will start believing it. in your product, that it's valuable, that it's worthwhile, and that it's a good deal. So that's why it's important to create blog posts online and content online. Ending it here. Thank you for watching. And as always, ending the last couple of seconds, minutes with a sending you peace and love, thoughts and vibrations. Peace.